How to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi Auto Reconnect on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. And in the settings page, we go down and tap on connections. After that, go down and tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on the settings icon right next to your Wi-Fi name. In here, tap on Auto Reconnect. Tap on the toggle button to switch off the Auto Reconnect, or you can tap on it to turn it on. So you can tap on it to switch it on. And that's it. Once it is turned on, if your phone is within the reach of that Wi-Fi network, it will automatically attempt to reconnect to that Wi-Fi network without you having to enter in the password, or without you having to intervene or perform any action. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.